Hey, first grade. You guys are looking at your lesson plans for the week, and we are learning about 3D shapes. We have been talking about 2D shapes for a while. 2D shapes are flat like a pancake, and 3D shapes are fat, not flat. So we asked you guys to go find a tissue box, kind of like this, maybe around your house, and we were going to look and see what 2D shapes are on this 3D shape, okay? Because this is a 3D shape, it is fat. So if I looked, what shape do we see right here that might be a 2D shape on this 3D shape? Do you guys see that right there? Does that look like a shape that we know? Is that a rectangle maybe? Yeah? What about this one over here? Do you see that one too? And what about here on the bottom? There's another one right there. All right, you guys are going to go and look in your house for some 3D shapes and find some 2D shapes on those 3D shapes. So I also have some wipes here. This is a 3D shape because it's not flat. You guys can see it. I can't squish it or anything. It's going to be fat. And this is a cylinder. So are there any 2D shapes on this cylinder? Well, this is curved, so that's not going to be 2D shape, but what about this right here? Would that be a circle? Yep, and even one on the bottom, right? There we go. All right, so you guys are going to use your Go Math books. You're going to be on page 546 in your volume 2, and you guys are going to answer questions 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5 as your homework this week. You're also going to go on and look at page 551, and you're going to sort your 3D shapes. We've talked about our attributes before. Attributes, remember, is a synonym or word that means the same as adjectives, and you guys are going to sort these shapes using some attributes. Then whenever you guys get finished, you are going to come on over here to 522, and you're going to take a look at your sphere, your cone, and your cylinder drawings up here. We talked about those in class before. We have our sphere, our cone, and our cylinder. Okay, let's talk about what is a curved surface. Remember, we talked about that when we talked about circles. Curved surfaces are going to be rounded like the sphere and like this part of the cylinder. A flat surface is going to be like this part of the cylinder and this part of the cone. Is this a flat part? No, that's going to be a pointed part. Does the sphere have any flat faces? No, it does not have any flat faces. You guys are also going to look over here, and you're going to tell me some how many flat faces are on the cylinder, on the cone, and on the sphere. All right, so you guys keep looking for 3D shapes around your home and the 2D surfaces on those shapes, and we will see you guys next week as we continue our study on 3D shapes. Bye, see you guys soon.